Alright, what's up everyone? I am back again with another unboxing, and this is the Hypervenom Phantom 2 Spark Brilliance pack. This one is the new one that features the Hypervenoms Nike skin from the originals Hypervenom Phantoms. So here we go. So a lot of people that wore the original Hypervenom Phantoms, like myself, really like this upper. And when they switched to the Hypervenom Phantom 2 with a thicker upper, you know, I have them and I couldn't get used to them. I couldn't break them in, and it took forever. So I'm really happy that they went back to this one, to this upper. So hopefully breaking time is going to be a lot faster, and they should be ready to go, and I'm really excited about it. So you can see here that the design is similar, but from the Hypervenom Phantom 2, but then they made a little bit modifications in the overall layout of the Brio cables. Not much different, but let's take the other one. Let's see what else is in this box. Alright, another Nike boot bag. This time it's black with the Volt Nike football logo and the Volt swoosh on the back. So there you have it, the new Nike Hypervenom Phantom 2 Spark Brilliance with the Hypervenom Phantom 1 uppers. Thanks for watching.